I'm president and CEO of Woven Metal Products. Woven Metal Products has been in the internals, separation, specialty fabrication business for over 60 years. I've been in the industry for over 20. So I started my career in the space of doing maintenance and reliability. I was running turnarounds and have been out and crawling all over your plants and others for many years before coming in and becoming part of the fabrication, engineering, design team at Woven Metal Products. What you'll see behind me is our facility. We have continuously grown year over year. We do all of our fabrication in our ISO certified facility just south of Houston, Texas in Alvin. And there's three really key values to who we are, and that is reliable quality, partnership attitude, and attention to detail. When you're thinking about internals, so that's the stuff that we can't see. And so it's everything that we're talking about that's inside the vessels, that's inside the separators, that's inside the mold sieves. And our facility is capable of doing all of that in-house. And so we are equipped for the job. And what we mean by that is we're not outsourcing these products. So on that 2 a.m. on Sunday when you call and you are in a bind, we handle it. What does it also mean is that we control not only the schedule, we also control the quality. And so whether we're engineering it, whether we're doing replacement in kind, whether we're helping you out of a jam, or we're just doing something planned, we are the fabricator. And that's very unique in some of our spaces because a lot of others are outsourcing most of their work and then just packaging. So being the one that's controlling your engineering all the way through to it getting to your plant is a really big deal. We service lots of different types of industries. We've been servicing refining and petrochem is our foundation for over 60 years, and we understand what right now means.